Hi viewers, welcome to this channel. Before you watch this video, please subscribe to this channel. So in this video I am going to explain about the introduction regarding the Ssas window. So in the previous video we have discussed about the installation. So in this video, once you open the Visual Studio 2019, which is installed with the Ssas data tool, so once you click on this one, you will be getting this window. So in that you will be having these options. One is the Server Explorer, second one is the Properties, third one is the Solution Explorer, fourth one is the Tabular Model Explorer. Generally you will be having two types. One is the tabular model and other one is the MDX model. I am going to use the tabular model. So initial step is that so you will be having a Server Explorer option here. So you need to connect to the data connections, that is one of the server. So once you connect to that one, so similar to the previous case, so in my case I am having Microsoft SQL Server. So click on that one, continue. So give the server name as dot. So you can select any database that you have created in the SQL Server. So right now I didn't create any database for SSAS tutorial. So as I'm having SSIS tutorials one in the previous one, so I am giving that connection. So whatever the tables that are going to have in that SSIS tutorials database, those can be loaded to this SSAS window. So once it get connected, so you will be having the connection shown like this. So after that you need to drag the data you want to this window. So here you will be having two types of window. One is the grid view and other one is the diagram view. So in the grid view, so once you connect to the database and drag the data to this area, the data will be visible to you. So in order to create a relation between each and every table you have extracted from the database, so you will be going for the diagram option. So there you can connect some tables and form some relations similar to the Power BI. You have created some relations. So here if you want to zoom, you can use minus and plus, and if you want to fit to the screen, so you can click on that one. And if you want to display the measures, columns, hierarchies, KPIs, whatever it may be you have created, so you can sell and check that those things. So right now I am using the grid view. So and after that, if you go to the properties window, you will be having the properties regarding this page. And if you go for the Solution Explorer, you are having two things. So if you want to change the name of the project, you can click on that Solution Explorer and right click and rename that one. And so here you will be having two options. One is the references and other one is model.b. Model.b means this one. So and if you go to the tabular model explorer, so you will be having these options: data sources. If you want to give any data source, so if you click on right click on that one, so you will be having import from database existing connection. And if you click on KPIs, you can create the KPIs. So those things you will be doing here. And you will be creating some measures also here. Those we will be knowing in the future. If any perspectives also you can create here. If any relations you have created, those things also will be shown here. And roles you can create and tables, that is calculated columns, calculated tables, etc. you can show here. So translations, etc. So these are the different tabular model explorer options you will be having. And if you want to deploy the thing, so select that model.beam, right click and go to the properties, as we are using the tabular model. So every time you open a new workspace server will be shown created here. So you need to copy that one, and as you are deploying to SQL server, so there you need to copy that and paste that localhost server name. And from here also you can connect to the different data sources, whether it is SQL server or whatever it may be. So in the next video I will be starting the detailed section. For more updates, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much.